Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm about to create a community on GoBrunch for my podcast. Come on inside. I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'm going to teach you how to customize it to your own liking. Put your logo, put your background, finally a place to build a community where you're totally in control. Come on, check out GoBrunch. You're going to be blown away. Okay, this is Microsoft Designer. This is free with an account, and you can create with AI. You can just about build anything you want for social media: icons, images, wallpapers, banners, posters, social media uh, stuff, greeting cards, stickers, anything you want. Backgrounds. So we're going to go to backgrounds. Okay, so we're over here and we're gonna check out some backgrounds. The key is the prompt. The key is always the prompt. So you're gonna figure out what you want. I like cartoon kind of bright colors, kind of nice stuff. So and my community is the Lake George podcast, which is an outdoorsy Adirondacks mountains, lake, forest, that kind of thing. So I'm looking for that kind of scene. So I use this prompt. Okay, a view of a peaceful lake with trees and a mountain in the background, cartoon style with forest and animals. Now, this is one of them, but they gave me a whole bunch of them, okay? And I was able to pick which one I wanted, and I ended up picking this one. So I ended up picking this one because I'm going to show you, I'm going to create little spots for all my people in the meeting. So this is going to be the background for my meeting. So now we're going to go to GoBrunch. So I say we download this to the computer. So we download this to the computer. And we're going to go to GoBrunch. Here we are on GoBrunch. Now they're going to ask you to sign in. They're going to ask you, once you're signed in, they're never going to ask you again. But the first time you sign in, they're going to ask you to create an avatar, which you could use your own avatar or create one there. And then you can get in with the one click. All right, now we've got spaces. I'm going to create a co-working space. Okay, get started. We're going to name the space. Now we're going to name the space Lake George this week. That's my podcast, okay? Is it a test? No, it's not a test. All right. We're not going to use a secret key, and we're not going to collect any registrations at this time. We can monetize it later, and we'll talk about that. We're not going to add any rooms here because we can always add them as we go inside. Right now, we're going to pick the background. We're going to pick the layout that we. So they have all these layouts here that you can pick. We're going to pick one, but we're going to use our own background. But the key here is to pick the amount of seats that you want. So this one has 10 seats. We're going to pick this one because it has 10 seats, and we're going to create. And here it is, Lake George this week. Now watch, I'm going to open it up. We might have issues with two cameras running. So because this is me over here. And if I turn on my circle cam while I'm up there, I can turn on this camera and my microphone, and I'll be coming through here. I want to turn off the microphone so we don't have any background noise. So this is the template that they had. You can use this one, or you can customize it and put your own stuff in here. So now we can go to this room, right? We can go to background and editor. Come over here to background. We're going to upload from our. There we are. Okay. So now you really can't see it. So we can go over to, where is it here? Canvas height. We can adjust the canvas height. Okay. And here we go. Now we can move all of these. These little dots are seats. And when people come into the room, their camera is going to go there. Okay. So we're going to turn around. We're going to move all of these to make them all around all the animals. All right. Because that'll be pretty cool. All right. Then we'll put some over here on the other side of the river. And we'll put one over here. All right. And then we can save and close it. But you know what? I also want to add an image. So I want to add an image. We're going to upload from the computer, and we're going to try and find my logo. Okay, we're going to upload our logo. And we can put it anywhere we want. And I'm pretty sure I can change the size of it. And we can put it up over here in the corner. Lake George this week. Now we can save it. And now I'm here in the room, and I can pick any one of these cameras, any one of these seats, right? And whenever people come to my homepage, they're going to be right here on the thing, and they can share their screen, they can share their camera, they can share their microphone, they can talk in real time. All right, it's going to be really great. You're going to build your community, right? And you can go into any one of these, and again, you can have as many seats as you want. I have meetings with up to 600 people in it. Pretty awesome and pretty great way to customize your GoBrunch meeting space. What do you think of that? And we can leave. We can go right to this exit the room, and it's going to bring us back here. Now I'm going to go to my spaces. I'm going to show you some of my other spaces. So pest control for the people, another space that I have for work, and I can pick a seat in here. Now we have 30 people at work. We're a pest control company, and we have our meetings here around in the ant colony. All right, and I created that also in Microsoft Designer. Okay, pretty cool little room. And like I said, now I also have my creators on. If I come to here, now this is a more business-like lobby. Okay, now this is a lobby for my creators on, for my community of content creators. And I created all these other rooms. These are all other rooms. Okay, oh, this is popping up. This is the pop.
Welcome to Creator Zone, the Amazon.
Let everybody know what's going on and give them instructions on what's going on and where to go. And all of these, there's an interview set, there's a conference room, there's a collab room, there's a big meeting room, there's a Logi lounge, there's a shop for video workshops so that you can make workshops. There's a video room in here, and you can create all of these rooms customizable, and you can use Microsoft Designer, or you can use the templates that they have, and create a community, create a whole ecosystem of rooms, training rooms, breakout rooms, lobbies, offices, different things. It's incredible. You're going to build a community that's going to last a lifetime, and you're going to be in total control of it. No more at the mercy of the platform, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, etc. Hey, so I hope you learned something, and I hope I helped you out a little bit on how to customize your GoBrunch rooms, make them solely to you and your business and your community. Stick around. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. GoBrunch has a lot of good videos, and you're going to have a great time learning GoBrunch and building your community here.